Okay, well, I suck at vlogging when I'm here in California at home. I don't know what it is. When I'm traveling, like all my European vlogs were so like creative and detailed, and then I get back to California and I'm awful. I didn't finish my vlog that I started yesterday, so I'm going to finish today and this weekend. It is Thursday. I leave for Coachella tomorrow and there is so much that I have to get done. I'm gonna do a little vlog leading up to Coachella and I'm going to try to enjoy Coachella, not film as much. I'll get some footage, but I really just want to like be in the moment. Girl got a package. Oh, I need to get a box cutter. Okay. So the first thing that I got is this felt cowgirl hat. You know what? It might be basic, but I do not care. I'm doing this for me. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I might have a problem here with how this fits. Okay, no, that's fine. I was worried it was gonna like look too high on my head, and then I was planning on wearing it with just a bandana, keeping it simple. Yeah, I feel like that's fine. And then I just got this mini like boho dress. I love this. I'm going to try it on. So I tried on the first outfit. It's giving stagecoach vibes, but you know what? I'm here for it. I love it. The top fits perfect. It's simple, easy. There's not a lot of work that has to go into this look. These are the cowgirl boots that I have been searching forever for. I have like a series of chronicles that I went on to get these boots. I'm already obsessed with this. I am in love. I know it's just a simple white dress, but it's giving Lana Del Rey, Gypsy Queen vibes. Blue jeans, remix, ride. If you know those songs, then you're a real one.
There's a lot to take in.
There's a lot of unaccounted things.
Wow. Hey, puppers. Okay, no, he was not happy.
Maybe we should cut the cameras. Insert footage here now of last year, this time when we walked by Succulent House. See what I say?
This feeling
Sunset Market
remains.
Hold up. Scale 1 to 10.
9.5.
9.5?
I love Vietnamese coffee, and everything's a high right now because back in Missouri.
That's all you need to say. You don't need to say anything more.
So I am on a high right now.
Okay.
With everything out here.
Literally bag secured. I haven't had this in years. But like, same. Burger reveal. It's a rice burger, in case you couldn't tell.
Mine is a barbecue chicken rice burger.
Okay, ready? To cheers it. Ooh, how do I get this without falling apart?
That's what I'm saying.
Ooh, you did yours the right way. Okay, ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's good.
It's been a hot minute, but it's great.
We just always end up here.
Solid 10 out of 10. We got our Starbucks because we don't do a day without coffee. It's sinful if you don't do that. What'd you got, Sarah?
Matcha.
Sacrilegious.
Good morning. It is Mother's Day. It's really cold and windy out, which I'm really nervous for because I'm supposed to be throwing a really nice picnic and I'm really sad. I hope the weather doesn't ruin it, but I'm still gonna do it, still gonna commit and set up because I don't have reservations anywhere. Can't really pause the video to show what I'm doing because the chocolate will harden really fast, so I am just going to go for it. Sorry, this isn't very aesthetic, but oh yeah, these chocolate covered strawberries aren't going to be the prettiest things. I almost burnt my hand. How did me and Sarah do this so pretty last time? These are turning out so ugly. It's just like not sticking to the strawberries. Bro. No, these are the ugliest chocolate covered strawberries I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so I have everything down there. Soph is so funny. She's breathing so heavy. And I'm really disappointed because the pasta place I was going to pick up takeout Italian food is closed, so I had to last minute order from this place called TJ's, and I've never had their pasta before, so I'm hoping it's good.